Okay, so once you've installed the multiple artboard generator to your extensions folder, you'll be able to find it under Window, Extensions. And I'm just going to dock mine on the side here. In order to use it, all you need to do is drag and drop a spreadsheet file that is in a CSV format into the drop area here. You'll see that it will load that specific CSV. It'll keep the name there. You can choose your spacing and you can choose your units. And then you can just click Generate Artboards. It will tell you that the artboards have been created successfully, and then it will create those artboards, if you zoom out, at the top left corner of your pasteboard. Now, before we can actually get into this, we obviously want to create our own custom spreadsheet, our own custom CSV file. I would recommend using Google Sheets. You can go to File, Open, Upload, and you can use the provided spreadsheet that comes with this extension. Simply drag it in. And once it's dragged in, you can put in your own custom values into the spreadsheet. So I put in here 16 artboards with various different dimensions. It's important to note that you will also be able to retain the names of these artboards. These are the names that you will see inside of Illustrator once it's generated those artboards as well. We can then just go to File, Download, and make sure that we choose CSV. It will download that file up here. We'll rename it here just to Spreadsheet Custom. We'll go back to Illustrator. I'll go to Window, Extensions, Multiple Artboard Generator. Dock that on the side. And I will drag in my new custom CSV file. You'll see the name updates here. We can click on Generate Artboards, and it will now generate all of these artboards that we've named right here inside of our spreadsheet. So let's click Generate Artboards. It will say Artboards created successfully. And when we zoom out, we'll see all 15 of those artboards there. And it retains the names that were originally in that spreadsheet. Now, to show you just how powerful this extension actually is, I'm going to generate 250 artboards. So I'll drag that in here, 250 items, and click Generate. It'll take a little while, but then it will tell us that it's completed that successfully. And when you zoom out, you'll see here 250 artboards, and there's actually room here for even more. Now, if you don't have Google Sheets, I would recommend something like edit-csv.net. And you can use the same website if you don't want to use Google Sheets. What I definitely wouldn't recommend is using the Numbers app if you're on a Mac, because it creates a file that's in a format that is not readable by this extension. All right, and there you have it. That's how you use Multiple Artboard Generator.